I give you this one is a E3. It's a very arc better compared to red color.
Okay.
Red color because now they got this what you call radiation, so not so good. This one okay. This don't have the radiation. Okay, this one is the. So to tighten it, let's put to here. Then tighten it. So angle, you can adjust here angle, which angle you want.
Okay, okay.
Okay, let's say this angle. So we just lock it. Angle. Okay. This one is up down. Oh, so tight. Okay. This one, because you see here he got different location, so you can adjust the location so that you can take this
Okay,
this side,
okay,
this side. After here drying, then you can go the other side. Okay. Up first, and so that you don't touch it. Bring up high. This one high first, so that you don't touch. Okay, then you slowly down.
Wow.
Oh. You see the tajam. I bring the
Itu situ taknya. Bagus gedain pakai ini oh.
The good thing about the tajam tadi is this and see, is the line. You tengok ni.
Lebih tajam lagi.
Bukan, you tengok ini.
Oh, kalau tengok pakai ini ya.
You tengok itu line is go down one. Okay, you see pakai ini. How to say dia